Welcome back, my people. Sign of the morning here, we're there up on the porch. Yeah, so we have the porch. We start now in the morning. Yeah, some 24 by 24 porcelain. Yeah, so this is how it look like. Yeah, so this is a full view over the porch. Eh? We grind in Ivan, man, but never send me Ivan no there. Yeah, so Donovan, the general, are going to mix something set. Yeah, so I just want to get a little pick up on the morning. Generally, I'm going to mix something set. Yeah, so things that I'm going to mix same time, you know? All type of things. There's a cheese wrap pack up in my place, yeah. There's a place that is cheese wrap out. Then I just put one inside right now. Yeah, so you can see a face for the wall for the thing. This machine is out there. All these machines are pop up. Cheese wrap now coming in and start the road. No man, see it yourself. Go by yourself. Yeah, some mortar dip on the floor. A bed out. So Tyler go lay. Eh? No, me no ain't out nothing. So alright my people, so watch and run out. As you can see Tyler run. Me empty Donovan. Empty. How what's then there? How what's then there? In nice son. That's why them are yeah, so take time I go on. As you can see work I done. Yeah man. Nice and sweet. Small joint 116. Yeah, so see them there. Is a 116 giant. Smart. So nowadays we not use no bigger giant. 116. The master road. So straight down the line there. Yeah. Yeah, so as I said, this is the master road, this is the square line. You know, this is how we work with. Yeah, Porch take time I go on. Yeah, so I run out some tiles on it. So this is how I reach so far. Yeah, one thing you don't watch are the whole of the parts come back in the cook in the house. So right now, we have to use extra thing set. Because as simple as you see it look, everything turned back in the house. Yeah, so we have this all work with. You know, we are the specialists, so we know if we work it out. Yeah. We take time of going still. Yeah, so if I run out, come to the way I put on the line. After I do that now, yeah, then I can catch it back from here. So close off this side, yeah. Yeah. So we are work it out. Yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Reason with me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the job them. Yeah, so your things set a roll. So as I say, carry down them two wire. Get more scutter. Yes, the people, so yeah, we're going upon it same way. The porch around. Yeah, the sun kind of warm out, that's the same way. Alright, just drop him there. Yeah, so we have to carry with him such a way. Yeah. So this is the tile run. Yes, my people, support almost done now. So, as I said, sun up like fire. Yeah. So that's how we reach now. So, almost close off. So just some little pieces kind of left. Yeah, I have a couple tiles on this of drop here. Yeah. So down so come right down. So some little closing with them couple tiles there so. And I tell you, so the sun turn up in idea, you know? Yeah, but yeah, as you can see, yeah, reach a far away. Work take time to go on. So we take time to close off. Yeah. Yeah, so this is how the thing set. Porch nice and sweet. Yeah. Alright, my people, so the porch done here now. Yeah, as I can see. Yeah, nice and decent. Yeah, clean. So the only thing left to do now is to just draw some growth on it. Yeah. So everything drop in. Yeah, the sun kind of hot out there differently, trust me. Yeah, say sun hot. Yeah, so as you can see, as I say, everything drop in, every piece is dropping in. Yeah man, the sun. Yeah man, everything done up here now. Knock out fast, not true? You want to clean up? Yeah man, nice and sweet. Yes. So as I say, my people, Porch done up. The thing to do now is just draw some growth on it. Yeah. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Reason with me down there, so you know, we can talk about the job them. Yeah, tell me when you like and tell me when you don't like, you know. Yeah, make a reason it out. Yeah, so yeah man, as I say, clean, nice, yeah man, Porch sweet. But I say I go clean up that one, but you know how I can start. So yes my people, so yes I would there. You know, as I say, the next step is the growing step, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to see over there. I'm going to clean it up. Yeah, so, as I say, like up the video, share the video. Yeah. Sun hot out here, so you know. Yeah, Porch come like fire right now. Sun a beat on it.